Hello everyone, this video is for you. It's a daily video that tells you what zone we're in, what basic weekly plan we're working on, and reminds you of your routines. Take a look, you'll see that these three things are here. There may be some other things in there that may or may not relate to the time of year, but that's okay. Enjoy. Hello fly babies, hello my lions, hello my patrons. Today is Thursday. Can you believe it's already Thursday? May is almost gone. Okay, here's what we're going to do today. You ready? Here we go. We're going to get up this morning and do our morning routine, our first part of our 3-layer cake. Morning routine includes making our bed, brushing our teeth, washing our face, putting on moisturizer. If you wear makeup, putting on makeup. If you wear jewelry, putting on your jewelry, fixing your hair, putting on your clothes that you laid out the night before, putting your pajamas away, wiping out the sink, swishing the toilet. The bathroom looks pretty good. Hang up your hand towel. Go into the kitchen. Have a little breakfast. Empty the dishwasher while your coffee or tea is brewing, or the dish rack, because we're going to run it every night even though it's not full. We're going to wash them every night even though the sink's not overflowing. All right, so we're going to do that every night. Who cares if you spend a dishwasher pod on a half a load? Who cares? It's going to be easier to unload in the morning anyway, and having an empty dishwasher is a treat because all day long you can put things in there. Or an empty dish rack. Wash your dishes after every meal, okay? Now you're feeling good, you're in control, right? You're looking good. You've had a little breakfast maybe, or at least a cup of coffee. You've got the bathroom all spot. You may not have made your bed, maybe your husband's still in it, but you'll make it in a minute. Okay, now we're going to go wake up the family, right? And put them through their morning routine. Children do. Make your bed at their level. Don't please pressure them. Give them a firm direction to make their bed. If they need instruction, give them a little instruction, but mostly give them praise for making their bed, letting them know that they are a bed maker. And that they'll carry it with them always. I make my bed. I've always made my bed. And my mom wasn't mean about it. We just made our bed, right? You're not going to be mean. Make your bed, go into the bathroom, wash your face, brush your teeth, comb your hair, wipe the toothpaste out of the sink, hang up your towel, okay? Get your clothes on, put your pajamas in the dirty clothes or in the drawer or under your pillow, wherever you want them to put it, make it easy. Come to the kitchen and have breakfast. That's the morning routine. Now, if you're going off to work, you're happy because everything's done, you're feeling in control, go off to work. If you are staying home, you're happy because you've started your day off on the right foot. I want you to start a load of laundry and go through an inch of paper. Then I want you to go through the second thing in our second layer of the cake, which is the basic weekly plan. On Thursdays, we're running our errands. Yesterday, you made your list for your groceries and all the errands you're going to run. Today, you're going to do that. So you may choose to switch around your zone and your errands. Maybe you want to work in your bedroom before you go. So go work in your bedroom before you go. You may want to do it when you come back. Whatever, it needs to be done. There's no excuse on this. This is how we're keeping our house in great shape. So go into your bedroom. Let's say we switched it today. You get to make that call. You're the CEO, the principal of your home. Go into your bedroom and do something for 15 minutes maximum. Not a long time, right? So let's say that you need to switch maybe you're strong enough and you just have to swirl. Like my mattress, you can't flip it, you just turn it. So turn it every now and then. Not every month, but every now and then. Maybe you don't want to do that. You want to really vacuum under the bed. You dropped your glasses under there yesterday and noticed that there were dust bunnies under there. Clean under your bed. Just pick one thing. Maybe you decided that your furniture needs polishing. Do that. Maybe it's too much to polish in one day. Polish part of it. Who cares? There's nobody grading you. This is your house. Isn't that wonderful? You're an adult, you get to do what you want to do in there, but I do want you to work for 10 minutes max. If you have clutter, you're not going to be cleaning, you're going to be decluttering for 15 minutes max. And then you're going to complete the process by putting away, throwing away, giving away. Put the giveaway in the trunk because you're going out today to give those things away. All right, next thing we're going to do is errands. So you're going to get in the car, get the kids with you if that's what you do. Leave them at your mother's. I don't care. Whatever you decide to do. You're going to have a conversation with them before you go and maybe an I Spy game. And you're going to find 10 things that are the color red. And you're going to find 10 things that have green on them. And you're going to find 10 things that have the letter C on them, whatever. And, give them their little game, something to do or help you. I want you to get all the things out of the dairy case for me. And I want you to get all the things out of the meat case for me, and I want you to get all the things out of the canned area or the cereal area or whatever. You know, give them things to do. They want to help. They're bored. Can you remember? I remember being a little kid. It was boring, and I wanted everything that I saw because I was bored. I didn't have a focus. You want to give your kids focus if you have to take them with you. And you be focused too. You get your list out. You know how much you're going to spend. You vow to yourself that you're going to spend $1 or less. You're going to kind of keep track of what you're spending, and you may have to shift en route. You may have to say, oh no, I can't buy the roast. It's way too expensive this time. I must have bought it on sale last time. I'm going to switch to chicken. Or I can't buy that cereal. It's too expensive this week. You know what? We'll have oatmeal. I bought oatmeal this week. It's on sale. You have to make some smart decisions. You're very smart. Your mind can process so many things in just a matter of seconds. So you can do this. And when you're done, you're going to check out, you're going to come home, and you're going to put it all away. And maybe prep some of it for the week. Maybe you want to buy whole carrots because they're less expensive than baby carrots, or the baby carrots get soggy in the drawer, no one ever eats it, and everybody likes sticks better, and you want to cut them up yourself. Do that. You know, get everything ready. Now, remember not to overbuy because you've been having all these leftovers, right? So cut back a little. Buy a little less fruit if you have leftover fruit. Make a little less rice if you have leftover rice and you're not using it. Or make a plan to use it, one or the other, okay? All right, so we're going to spend less money at the grocery store. We're going to also, before we go to the grocery store, stop by the charity shop or Goodwill or DI or whatever and drop off all the things to be donated. Going to run by the library if you wanted to, or the post office, whatever it is you have to do, and then you're going to go grocery shopping. And when you come home, put it away, start supper. Okay, now let me just go real quick and talk to my working fly babies. So working fly babies, lions, here's patrons, here's what we're going to do for you. You're at work, you've got errands to run today. You can't buy groceries, but there are things you can do on your lunch hour or break, depending on how close you are to where you need to run. So run your little errands, drop things off, maybe on your way home would be better. It's your call. Think about what's happening at home. Do you have something in the basic weekly home blessing hour that needs to be done today by someone? Can you delegate it? And can you inspect what you expect when you get home? Or can you plan for it to be done by you? Okay, so when you come home today, you're going to do your clutter check. Remember, everyone, there are 3 clutter checks a day. First thing in the morning before everyone leaves the house, goes to school, or after your morning routine if you're staying home with the children. Then after lunch if you're staying home, or when the kids get home, or when you come home from school, another clutter check. And a final one before bed. Clutter checks are not inspecting what you expect. Clutter checks are looking to see who's left mindless clutter, including you, my dear, including you. All right, so maybe have the kids check you and you check them. We have to stop this mindlessness. How can we be so crazy? How can I leave my, and I do it too, how can I leave my phone somewhere and not know where it is? It's mindlessness. So we want to go ahead and put things away and remember to complete our process in the future. Have a specific place to put your phone when you're not using it, which I do most of the time, but no one's perfect. So give yourself a break. Be kind to yourself, firm but kind, okay? All right, so 3 clutter checks. Then when you come home, at home fly babies, you're going to, and working fly babies, you're going to come home. All right, so the workers are going to put their stuff in the laundry and go through an inch of paper. And then while the laundry is working, they're going to make dinner, and you're going to make dinner. So everybody's making dinner. While dinner is simmering, the working fly babies, the working lions, my working patrons, are going to go work in their bedroom for a few minutes. And then come back and finish dinner. And when dinner, it could be made, just holding. I mean, anything can, your food can hold for a few minutes. And if it's you who has to do the weekly home blessing hour, just pick a little thing and do it. That's a 5 to 10 minute thing. 10 would be the floors, they're the longest. 5 is like dusting. It's like nothing. You're not doing a detailed cleaning. Detailed cleaning is what you just did in your bedroom with one thing, okay? All right, after that, everybody, we're gonna get ready for bed. We have our after dinner routine where everyone helps clean, right? And then after that, you're gonna do your before bed routine. Check your planner, get yourself ready for bed, take care of your skin, put your pajamas on, put your clothes away, or in the dirty clothes or whatever. look and see what you're going to wear tomorrow. Make sure that the dishes are in the dishwasher. You're not going to turn them on until right before bed because you want that last plate, that last cup, that last bowl to go in the dishwasher. And that's it. And then before bed, turn on the dishwasher. Make sure the kids have done their evening routine, their before bed routine, which is take a bath, wash their hair if they need to, brush their teeth, wipe out the sink, hang up their towel, put their pajamas in, their clothes in the dirty clothes, put their pajamas on, pick out a story, and you read them a story, and that's it. Super easy. All right, that's it for today. I know this was a little long. I had a lot to say. Hope you're having a beautiful day, and always remember that you are beautiful. I hope you enjoyed that, and I know that you're going to have a great time in your house today. Remember to focus on getting it done first, fast, make it fun, and get it finished. Complete the process, and don't let those little things bug you that you see that are for future dates. Use your planner, and always remember that you are beautiful.